Hello, Dawn's Inspirations here. I wanted to share with you my latest online workshop. Now, this is one of my biggest projects to date. The idea was in my head and I just ran with it and it got bigger and bigger. So I wanted to share this with you. So this is my Office Girl Organiser. Comes with a storage box because if you wish to do it for Christmas, you then got a storage box, you can pop it away. It stands nice and sturdy. We've got some chipboard on here, we've got magnets on here, and then if I open this up, let me prise the magnets apart, flip this open, there you go, there is all your lovely organisation to help you. It just looks absolutely fabulous, and by changing the paper collection and the cardstock, it can suit any occasion. Now, I've called this the Office Girl Organiser, and you will have seen the Office Girl bag. So if I just bring in the Office Girl bag, you'll see here, just out the same paper collection, how beautiful they do look together. But if you look at the organisation on this one, this has been constructed differently to the one on this one. So you're going to learn different skills in each of the workshops. But let's put the Office Girl bag away, because the star of today is all about the Office Girl Organiser. So yes, we've got organisation going on here. At the front we've got a little slip pocket that you can use to add cutter parts. You could keep some little books of stamps for cards and things to go in there, but you've got that little cute pocket there in the front. You've got a nice big file going on here. Let me just push that to the back. So you've got your nice little tab tops as well, just using the envelope punch board. I know it's something we all have, but we don't often use. So we've got nice big spaces here. Now, with the workshop are going to come or print-offs that you can use inside here for your organisation. So let me just share this one side with you. So we've got a nice medium file going on here. Lovely neutral papers as its organisation. And this time you've got a booklet style. So let me bring the papers in here, or the print-offs that you can use in your booklet. So this one, I've created some monthly tasks, things like cards, presents, thing to do, and these are double side printed. So these are going to slide in your little booklet area and they will sit nicely in the file, all ready to go. You can print off more if you need them, and you can change change how many you want to put in here. If you want to change it month on month, you can. The choice is yours. So that's your little medium file pocket. On this larger one here, I've done some things like this. Get this done. Now, I would suggest sticking these into your project with photo glue, because that way then you can take them out without ruining your papers or your project, and you can change your inserts inside them. But also, this is going to look fabulous with photos in. So you may not choose to put the inserts in. You may choose to have it with photographs in. And that is absolutely fine too, because this is your Office Girl Organiser. So that's one side. Let's look at the other side. Again, we've got that lovely 3-page file look going on. So with little parts that you can pop behind. Let's find some more cutter parts to go in this one. So let's have birthdays and anniversaries could go in here. So we could have all those going on. So we can slip these behind. You can print off as many times as you like. The choice is absolutely yours. So you've got that going on. Let me just slide that one back down in there. And then the last file we have is an envelope file. So again, using the envelope punch board, but this time to make large envelopes. So great for your organisation. So in here I put things like my wish list, family wish list. You know what it's like, it comes to a birthday and somebody will say, oh, what does little Johnny want for his birthday? You haven't got to think about it because it's all there. You've got a little tuck behind spot here. And then again, another little pocket. I thought, important thing, you know, those phone numbers. If you lost your mobile, that information all tucked away, but it's all organised in a safe place. So we're going to create all this on the online workshop. As I said, it's my largest project to date. You've got well over 5 hours of crafting, 5 hours of step-by-step video tutorials. And the only thing I haven't filmed is cutting the papers, because as I always tell you, that is the bit that takes you the longest. But you've got your PDFs with your cutting and scoring guides in there, and I've done pictures as well to show you how to do things like cut the pattern papers for your envelopes. So it is all there. I have gone probably more in depth than I have with any other workshop because I'm offering you all that information. So it's well over 5 hours of step-by-step video tutorial, all broken down into 22 videos, and I've done it as 22 videos, so it's more step by step into smaller chunks, so you can do it each stage as we go along. So we have the construction, we have the decoration, we have the next stage of the decoration. I do a walkthrough. It's all there for you. Nice little storage box for it to go in as well. Now on the online workshop, you'll see with the inserts, I've done a Christmas version and an everyday version. So if you choose to do the Christmas version, you'll have different inserts to go with Christmas. You'll have things like your, I can't think if they're actually in here, but let me have a little look if I put them in. This one hasn't been fully decorated, as you can see yet. So in here you've got your same files, but in here are going to be things like Christmas card lists, you know, that type of thing. So it's all going to be organised for you. Cracker box lists, present ideas, shopping lists, it's all there for you. So there's a Christmas version of inserts and there's an everyday version of inserts. The filming for the project has been done in the everyday. But by changing the paper collection, you can use any paper collection you like. I've used 12 by 12 paper collection for this. There's a video of the supplies and tools you're going to need, so check that out before we start. So you can gather all your supplies, everything that you're going to need, and you can make your Office Girl Organiser, whether you want to do every day, whether you want to do Christmas. You may choose it to be a gardening organiser. You may choose it to be a university organiser. You may choose it to be a memorabilia organiser. The choices are endless, but you've got printouts for every day and printouts for Christmas. I do hope you enjoy the online workshop with the additional storage boxes, of course. And I will see you in the workshop, and we too will create our own.